I know years ago it was a joke. Ring, ring. Hi, this is your extended warranty. Just wanted to see if you wanted to renew it. Best investments you can make for your car, extended warranty. There are 3 things you should look at when you're shopping around for the best warranty. 1, who has the most coverage for your money? 2, is there a local repair shop that knows what they're doing when it comes to warranty? And 3, make sure your contract has car rentals available for when your car is down. We've been doing car claims for the last 8 to 10 years. This is something we specialize in. We learned through the process on how to get approvals. Our approvals are up in the 95 percentiles. Generally, when they don't get approved is because a customer can't provide proof of oil changes. Here's what I tell everybody. It's just like a collision claim. So you get into a car accident, you call insurance, they tow it. Someone comes down to take a look at it. Usually takes about 2 to 3 days. Then about another 2-3 days till you get an approval. It's the same process. It's just like if you had Geico for your engine repair claims. The process takes time. A lot of customers come in, and I understand. It gets frustrating. My car is down. I need it fixed. I got warranty. What do you mean you can't do it today? It takes time. The average time for repairs on all of them we give it about 7 days. So the first day, we're tearing down and finding out what's wrong with it. The second day, the warranty will send out an adjuster to document and verify the issues that you're having. Then they go home that night and they submit the claims to the warranty. So the next day, this is the 3rd day now, we'll start getting approval. So right away, before we even can start, we need 3 days, and that's the average. 4th day, we start on the repairs. All the parts should be in. Depending on which type of repair, it can take another day to 3 days. So the average is about 7 days. So I always tell customers, we're good at what we do. Have patience, give us time. This last video that I'm going to show you real quick is the last minute of the approval being on the phone with the warranty company.
All right, this one's for the 80 stuff.
Okay.
The parts are $1,019.43.
3.
Labor is $32.86.80.
Okay.
Taxes are $79.01. Customer has a $250 deduct. I need a good email address, credit card payment.
Repairs@centricauto.com.
R for Ralph, E for Echo, P for Papa, A for Apple, I for Indigo, R for Ralph, S for Sam at CENTRICAUTO.com.
Correct.
Total payout for that line is going to be $41.35.24.
Authorization number.
W for Whiskey 0581072. A is in Alabama.
Okay. Next.
Next one's for the drive shaft. Parts are $13.15 even. Labor is $4.95 even. Taxes are $101.91.
Authorization.
Total payout is going to be $19.11.91. Off number when you're ready.
Go ahead.
W for Whiskey 0581082. A is in Alabama.
Okay. Last one.
Last one's for the size. Parts are $22.75 even. Labor is $15.04.80.
150480.
Taxes are $176.31. Total payout is going to be $39.56.11. Off number when you're ready.
Go ahead.
W for Whiskey 0581087. A is in Alabama. I is in Indigo.
Okay. And
Make sure you send in the parts invoices for payment.
manager that approved the Mitchell name.
Name is Alex.
Alex, thank you very much.
All right, you have a nice day, Victor. Thanks for calling in.
All right, bye-bye. This video is not sped up. Do you notice the speed of the conversation? This is my goal when I do talk to them. I talk to them with confidence. I talk to them with speed. I answer their questions before they even ask, so they know that we know what we're doing. So it's less conversation in the sense of them questioning me on the repair process and or the diagnosis process. When they hear that we're seasoned, they don't play as many games. Insurance companies' goal is to deny, but when they hear that we're seasoned, they don't play as many games. Our approvals are extremely abnormally high. And we're working on the 2014 Dodge Durango, and we got it approved. So customer will go home with new AC, new suspension parts. Basically everything's going to be fixed on his car. The best thing with this customer is he has one of the best warranties. They approved him for over $10,000 worth of repair. His car is going to be in tip-top shape. And the best thing about it is he only has a $250 deductible versus a $10,000 repair.